Okay, let's get it done. To make perfect chips, we need Russet style potatoes, also known as Idaho potatoes. This type of potatoes have thick skin, high starch content, and are lower in moisture, which makes them perfect to achieve an outside crispiness when making French fries. Peel or not to peel? Personally, I prefer to keep the skin on, but it's just a personal preference. Skin has a lot of fiber and it is kind of good for you, so why not? Now, wash potatoes really well with the brush. Cut them as evenly as possible, so they will cook through at the same time. I prefer larger wedges, which are about 1.5 inch thick, also known as steak fries, but you can adjust it based on your preference. Rinse potatoes with cold water until water is clear. We need to remove all the starch from the outside. This way, potatoes are less likely to stick together. Now soak potatoes in cold water, add some ice and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Soaking potatoes in the water before frying is a secret of crispy potatoes. Now, dry potatoes well with a paper towel or kitchen towel. If you like your potatoes crispy, you want to avoid putting wet fries in the air fryer. Toast potatoes in a bowl. I prefer to use avocado oil. I have about 3 layers of potatoes in the basket. Cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have less potatoes, time needs to be adjusted a bit. Remember to toast potatoes halfway. Now take potatoes out, toast them in a bowl, add a bit of oil, salt, pepper and some spices of your choice. I'm using paprika, garlic powder and this new pickling seasoning from Trader Joe's. It will add a nice kick to the fries. Toss it well and set it to the air fryer for another 7 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss a few times in the process, so everything is cooking evenly. Final product should be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly recipes. Like, share and comment. It will help a lot to support my new channel. And if you like this recipe, you should also check my collection of air fryer and instant pot recipes. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.